Hi, yeah, let's warm up our arms a little bit. Okay, I'm Sean. We're going to do some Qigong. Okay, this is called Shaolin Soft Fist. So we get into our nice little Wuji posture or emptiness posture. Roll our shoulders back. Okay, soft bend in the knees. Just kind of let my fist go like this. I'm going to breathe in and let one go up. I'm going to track it with my eyes. And as I exhale, I'm going to let it go down. Then I'm going to rotate or change. Continue that rotation. Let it go down. Look where your fist is going. Okay, breathing in. And out. We're kind of stretching our side body as we're doing this too. Getting that rib area, intercostal area. Stretching that a little bit. As I say, energy goes where the mind flows. So okay. So energy flows where the mind goes. There it is. Energy flows where the mind goes. And traditionally you do this about 8 or 9 times each side. If you feel you're ready, just bring yourself back in. Do a pulling down to the sky. Too close.